887E003 on Battlefield 6, Battlefield 2042 with an NVIDIA GPU. Step-by-step fix. 1. Quick resets. Reboot the PC. Full shutdown. Wait 15ths. Start. 2. Unplug/replug the display cable to the GPU, not the motherboard, and try a different port if you have one. 2. Repair the game plus clear its cache. 1. Verify repair the game files EA app/Steam Battlefield manage verify repair. 2. Delete the game's config cache so it rebuilds clean. Close the game and EA Steam. Go to Documents Battlefield 2042 or your Battlefield 6 profile folder. Delete the folder's cache and settings or rename the whole folder to Battlefield 2042 old. Launch the game once to regenerate files. Shark 3. Clean install NVIDIA driver, most common fix. 1. Download the latest game-ready driver and the previous one to roll back if needed. 2. Boot safe mode and use DDU display driver uninstaller to remove NVIDIA drivers. Select GPU, NVIDIA, clean and restart. 3. Install the downloaded driver cleanly. Choose custom, check perform a clean installation. Install only graphics driver plus PhysX, skip GeForce Experience for now. 4. Reboot and test. If the newest still fails, try the previous driver you saved. Ensure Windows and DirectX components are healthy. 1. Windows Update. Install all updates, including optional driver .NET. 2. Visual C++ runtimes, x64 and x86, 2015 to 2022. Install repair from Microsoft. 3. Clear DirectX shader cache. Press Win Search, Disk Cleanup, select your system drive, check DirectX shader cache. OK. 5. Turn off overlays and injectors. Disable everything that hooks the game. GeForce Experience overlay, Xbox Game Bar, Discord overlay, Steam overlay, EA overlay. Close MSI Afterburner, Rivatuner, Reshade, RTSS, NZXT Cam, Overwolf, etc. 6. Remove all overclocks, unstable tweaks, reset GPU to stock, disable OC undervolt, disable MSI OC scanner profiles. Reset CPU RAM to stable settings. Turn off XMP Expo as a test. Set Windows Power Plan High Performance or Ultimate, and in Settings, System, Display, Graphics, set the game to High Performance. 7. Force a clean DX12 profile for the game. 1. After Step 2 regeneration, open Documents, Battlefield 2042 Settings, Prof Save Profile in Notepad. 2. Ensure or add these lines, then save. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Launch the game. 8. Tweak NVIDIA Control Panel, Save Settings, Manage 3D Settings, Program Settings, Battlefield Power Management Mode, Prefer Maximum Performance, Shader Cache Size, Default or Unlimited if available, Low Latency Mode, Off, Test on Ultra only if stutters persist, Vertical Sync, Off, let the game handle it. 9. System File Repair if corruption is suspected. Open Command Prompt Min and run. You can see the code in our conversation history, reboot afterwards. 10. Advanced, only if crashes persist. Increased TDR delay, prevents premature driver reset. 1. WinR regedit. 2. Go to HKey local machine, system current control set at control graphics drivers. 3. Create deward 32-bit, TDR delayed. 4. Reboot, test with hardware accelerated GPU scheduling targeting system display graphics default graphics settings. Stack order, I recommend 1, Step 2, 5, 6, 3, 4, 8, 7, 9, 10. In most cases, clean installing the NVIDIA driver plus clearing Battlefield cache plus disabling overlays resolves the D3D12CreateDevice failure. If you